You helping Daddy?
Something like that.
Subfloor.
Huh?
I said subfloor.
Yeah, it's gonna be really simple, I think.
They just peeling right up.
Oh yeah, really easy. And quarter rounds.
Gotta pull up that caulk you just put on the tub.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna have to happen though. I just didn't want it to be caulk.
Yeah.
Water getting everywhere. Watching you just kind of take advantage of that. I started doing it in here and I was like, oh, what are you doing?
What's he doing to the floor? Daddy's breaking it.
These tiles
Yeah.
are made by Armstrong. Same brand we just bought.
How do you know?
It says it on the back of them. Armstrong.
I wonder how old they are.
Right? Definitely we're glued, not peeling stick.
Huh?
There it is.
Bye-bye.
Door!
What? Oh.
That's my fault. Who did this wainscoting?
Just pick it up so it looks like, so I can see it, and then say, I need your help.
I need your help.
Do it for real.
I do. Oh, there's old flooring underneath there. A penny.
Where?
There's a penny.
We're rich.
Not as bad as I thought it was going to look back there. Thank you. Oh, we're going to have this floor looking nice and smooth then. I see. Get all the big stuff off like this and then come back to
And
the
then
center.
the sander. The color is chalk. $0.88 a square foot. Not groutable.
Nah, exactly. Viewers at home will wonder. Well, whatever way you go, just make sure all the arrows face the same way.
Okay. So decide now.
Going against that wall.
Make them all go up.
Up.
Yeah. And you can see all the squares, so we know exactly where to put them.
Right? I know. About an eighth of an inch away from the wall.
For what?
For expansion.
Oh.
And that would cover up with the quarter round, so.
Only the wall though? What about the ones in the middle? Do you leave an eighth of an inch between all of them or no?
No, just around the wall so that they can expand.
No.
I want to try.
Alright, let Cameron try.
And then do that for me.
Alright. Okay, one more. Where else did you pop?
Oh.
This cabinet?
The Hemnes.
Like your Hemnes. We don't know how it's supposed to fit with all of that. And the drawers are gonna hit it. I'm gonna know this. The internet said this might be a problem. I didn't listen to the internet.
It's so pretty.
It is. Is that straight?
It's up to you.
Yeah. Look how nice and clean it is. How am I supposed to keep it that clean? With 4 kids in hard water.
I mean, I pushed on it. It's just wax, really.
No.
You know. Alright, here comes the water.
How does it know when to stop? It's leaking.
Is it?
That pipe is right there.
Where?
Stop. Right there. Is it you that's wet or?
God.
Right? Isn't that leaking?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we are going to put this inside the toilet bowl to see if it keeps the hard water stains away. Let's see. Smells like nail polish. Because there's a pipe in the way, so we have to cut so the pipe will fit. Ooh, that's a good spot for a pipe. You can adjust that top one. What do you mean? What's in the way?
I can't adjust this part here.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go to store if I, but.
I don't understand. That's in the way of the what?
Alright, watch. Can you see?
Yeah, look at it.
In that hole. Right?
Yeah.
I in.
Oh.
Because the water line is right in the way.
So you're gonna cut that?
Cut what?
That bottom piece of wood.
Yes, that bottom piece of wood needs to get cut because right now it'll hit this on this drawer side.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna cut this wood so that this whole piece will sit further
Slide
back.
further back in there.
But I'll still have the problem of this water line.
Where's the water line?
So I'm pulling it towards the inside. So if any excess goes, it goes in.
Instead of squeezing out.
Yeah. It's not that-
What you're using.
The IKEA does not come with any type of adhesive, but it does tell you to glue it. So I'm using Trusted Liquid Nails brand, multi-project. There's a lot of different projects out there, but I prefer the multi-project.
There you go, right there if you want.